Hey guys, welcome to Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you play Stumble Guys game. So at first you need to download the game, and after downloading just go to the game. Just hold on guys. Now here you can see in the bottom right play option, just click on it to play the game. You can also play with your friends. Now there are a lot of maps in Stumble Guys. The maps will be random. You cannot choose the map, and there are 3 rounds in Stumble Guys. In the first round there are 32 members. You need to be qualified between the 32, and if you want to be qualified you need to be in the 16. And in the second round there are 16 players, and if you want to win in the second round you need to be in the top 8. And the last round, between the 8, you need to be in the first position. If you want to win the game you need to be the first position in the third round. So guys, that's how you play Stumble Guys. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.